Wild animals. Leopard. Leopards are powerful big cats closely related to lions, tigers, and jaguars. They live in sub-Saharan Africa, Northeast Africa, Central Asia, India, and China. However, many of their populations are endangered, especially outside of Africa. You can identify most leopards by their light color and distinctive dark spots. Those spots are called roses because they resemble the shape of a rose. Unlike lions, leopards are solitary creatures. Males are almost entirely solitary, and females only break their solitude when they are raising cubs. Rhino. Rhinoceroses are large, heavy animals with thick gray or brown skin, short legs, and one or two horns on their nose. They are herbivores and only eat plants. Rhinoceroses are only few left because they have been hunted for the horns on their nose. Rhinos live in grassy plains, rainforests, and swamps. Rhinos are herbivores that eat grass, leaves, twigs, and other plant matter. Some species may also eat fruits and berries. Panthers. Panthers are large felines with shiny black or dark brown fur, small head, rounded ears, green eyes, and strong jaws. They have black rosettes that are hard to see, and their hind legs are longer and larger than their front legs. Panthers are adaptable animals that can live in many environments, including hot, dense tropical rainforests. They are found in Asia, including southwestern China, Burma, Nepal, southern India, Indonesia, and Malaysia. They are stealthy attackers with sharp teeth and claws. Wolf. Wolves live in groups called packs. A pack is a family of 7 to 8 wolves with a mom, dad, and offspring. The wolves' communication skills are very important to the pack's survival. Wolves work together to hunt, raise their young, and protect their territory. They also use scents produced by their bodies to communicate. A wolf's sense of smell is 100 times stronger than a human's. One source of scent is urine, which they use to mark territory and to tell other wolves in their own pack where they are. Another way wolves communicate is through body language. Alligator. Alligators are large reptiles with short legs, long tails, and wide snouts. Male American alligators can grow to be 8 to 10 feet long. Alligators are nocturnal predators that spend most of their time in water but also sunbathe at the water's edge during the day. They thrive in slow moving waters and can't survive in salt water. Alligators are carnivores that eat fish, turtles, birds, mollusks, and small mammals. Kangaroo. Kangaroos possess powerful hind legs, a long strong tail, and a small front legs. Thanks to their large feet, kangaroos can leap some 30 feet in single bound and travel more than 30 miles per hour. Kangaroos use their strong tails for balance while jumping. Kangaroos live in eastern Australia. They live in small groups called troops or herds, typically made up of 50 or more animals. Bear. Bears can range in height from 3 to 10 feet and weigh from 60 to 1720 pounds. The largest bear is the Kodiak bear, a type of Alaskan brown bear which can weigh up to 1720 pounds. The smallest bear is the sun bear, which can be as small as 4 feet long and weigh about 60 pounds. Bears are found in the Americas, Asia, and Europe and often live in forests and mountainous areas. Most bears are omnivores, eating both plants and animals, but polar bears and panda bears are exceptions. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest of the great apes and primates and can weigh up to 260 kg and reach 6 feet in height. Gorillas have broad chest and shoulders, large hands, small eyes, and hairless faces. They have nails instead of claws, which they use for scratching, cleaning, opening, and scraping. Gorillas live in forests and mountainous areas of West and East Central Africa and live in family groups called troops. Mountain gorillas have thick fur to keep warm. Hippo. Hippos are the third largest land mammals in the world, weighing over 7,000 pounds and measuring about 11.5 feet long. They have barrel shaped bodies, short legs, and large heads and mouths. Hippos have grayish brown skin that is almost hairless and releases an oily, red tinted substance that scientists think acts as sunscreen. Hippos are native to sub Saharan Africa and spend most of their time in water to stay cool in the hot climate. Hippos are herbivores that can eat up to 35 kg of grass per night and sleep up to 16 hours per day. They can hold their breath underwater for about 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.